When it comes to protecting your home, few things are as important as a reliable, well-installed roof. But finding the right roofing company can feel overwhelming, especially with so many options in Shelby Township. So, what separates a truly exceptional roofing contractor from the rest? Whether you're planning a full roof replacement or need a few repairs, understanding what makes a roofing company stand out can help you make the best choice for your home and your budget. Let's explore the key qualities that distinguish top-tier roofing companies in Shelby Twp, and why choosing the right partner makes all the difference. Local knowledge and community trust. The standout roofing company isn't just located in Shelby Twp, they're rooted in the community. They understand the unique weather patterns, building codes, and architectural styles that are common in the area. Why it matters. Knowledge of local climate helps in recommending the most weather-resistant materials. Familiarity with township permits and codes ensures faster, hassle-free project approval. A company with strong community ties is more likely to prioritize reputation and customer satisfaction. Look for a contractor with years of local service, glowing neighborhood reviews, and a track record of satisfied clients in Shelby Twp. Licensed, insured, and certified. Professional credentials are more than just paperwork. They're proof that the company meets safety standards, employs trained staff, and takes their work seriously. A top-quality roofing company will always be fully licensed and insured in the state of Michigan. Offer workers' compensation and liability coverage. Be certified by top roofing manufacturers, like GAF, Owens Corning, or Certainty. These qualifications protect you as a homeowner and guarantee that your roof is being installed by trained professionals using approved methods. Clear, honest communication. One of the most important, and most overlooked, traits of a great roofing company is clear, honest communication. From the initial quote to final cleanup, you should know exactly what to expect at each step. Standout contractors in Shelby Twp will provide detailed written estimates with no hidden costs, answer questions thoroughly and respectfully, explain material and warranty options in simple terms, keep you updated throughout the project. If a company takes the time to educate you and respond promptly, it's a sign they truly care about your experience, not just your money. Quality materials and workmanship. Not all roofing materials are created equal. The best roofing companies only use products that are proven to perform in Michigan's climate, especially Shelby Twp's snowy winters and rainy springs. Top companies will offer high-grade shingles, underlayment, and ventilation systems, manufacturer warranties plus workmanship guarantee, skilled, experienced installers who follow strict quality standards. The result is a roof that looks great, lasts for decades, and withstands the elements year after year. Exceptional customer reviews. Customer feedback is one of the clearest indicators of a roofing company's reliability. Great companies earn glowing testimonials, repeat business, and referrals from satisfied homeowners. When researching roofing companies in Shelby Twp, check Google reviews and local Facebook groups. Better Business Bureau, BBB, ratings, before and after project photos, response to negative reviews. Do they handle issues professionally? A company with consistent praise and a strong local presence is more likely to deliver a stress-free, high-quality roofing experience. Final thoughts. Choose a roofer who rises above the roof over your head is a big investment, and the company you choose to install or repair it should treat it that way. In Shelby Township, the best roofing companies stand out through a combination of community trust, professional credentials, honest service, and superior craftsmanship. By partnering with a roofing expert that checks all these boxes, you're not just protecting your home, you're investing in peace of mind for years to come.